guys, welcome to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time or you've seen this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Sherry Mac and you're welcome to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to those who keep coming back to watch my videos and who keep supporting me, who keep coming to support me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And we have a lot of things to do today. Come on guys. Okay, I will be preparing a nice meal for myself and I'll be showing you the recipe I used to prepare this delicious meal. Today's recipe will be short and good, and I'll be preparing crayfish. So I use a lot of crayfish to prepare my meal, so it's delicious. Then I'll be using, look at the pepper is diced already, so the pepper will make it to be very pepperish. Then look at my mix. So guys, thank you, keep watching and let us see how we're gonna prepare this.